Our continuation, replacement of ICP sensor that blew out and caused a no start. Anyway, as you can see, we're going with Ford factory specs. I am looking for all my torque, and it's very important to have that information, of course. But anyway, I just want to show you what we work. We are going to check the FICM. We're going to go back check everything. I suspect maybe a little bit more wiring, issues, but that's just to come. But basically, we're lining everything up. New seals, everything. Again, 0002 Alliant sets. Well worth the money. Not overly priced. Our unit's completely redone. All new seals, like I said. Thank you, Mr. Ford, for helping me out. Hopefully, I won't get you in trouble for doing that. Busting sets open. I didn't say that. Anyway, there's our new pigtail setup. We're going to go in, clean everything twice, but there you go, left the seal in place, quick disconnect. We're losing sunshine. This is the first chance we've had tons of rain, load up your batteries. Your charger unit looks great. All the, bearings, everything seems to be in good shape. This harness is not bad. Changed an alternator for no reason, but basically just a rough cleaning. It had tons of unburnt and buildup. Anyway, your EGR, I don't think we'll need to delete it. It looks pretty new. That's what I suspect, that it had been replaced about 30,000 miles. But anyway, overall, the unit's not in bad shape. He attempts to do a good job, but they need to keep up with their oil changes. Okay, let's see it go back together, and wish this man luck.